Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is RFID based prepaid card for cashless canteen management system using Raspberry Pi Pico. So in this project we are using an Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 controller board and GSM GPRS modem SIM 800A. Those are connected with RxTX serial communication 1 and EM18 RFID module. It is connected with the serial communication 2 and one 5 volts power supply module. 16x2 LCD display. It is connected to the RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 GPIO pin and 4x3 keypad. It is connected to the 10 to 16 GPIO pins. So here we are developed one web page. In that web page there are MySQL database, name, RFID card numbers and password, amount, mobile number, and you can edit. You can add the card and you can delete the card. So here the flow chart is first it is initialize the LCD. So GPRS modem connect. Whether it is GPRS modem is not connect, it goes to connecting the GPRS modem. Enter the 4-digit amount. The amount should be in the form of 4 digit. If you want to give 10, 0010, 100, 0100. If you want to give 1000, 1000. So like that you have to provide the input from the keypad. Show your RFID card and enter your password. Then it will send the data to server. Whatever the resultant data, it will show on the LCD. If it is a success, 0 with success with the balance, and new card in the form of whether the database is not accepted the card, it is new card. If we are enter the wrong password, card okay, amount okay, password wrong. Insufficient balance means over balance if you are entering. So this is our block diagram and the flow chart and the database. So this is our hardware kit. So here we are using one GSM modem SIM 800A. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. So this is lock unlock type, okay, and press it, lock it. If you want to remove it, unlock it and open the SIM card. Okay, this is Airtel 3G SIM card. Bridge rectifier, Idea 3G SIM card, sorry. Bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED. So here we are using 5 volts power supply module, bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator, one LED, 5 volts power supply module, Raspberry Pi Pico RP204, and this is reset button, EM18 RFID module, 4x3 keypad, telephone keypad, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 *0 #, 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And there are 4 RFID card number along with the passwords and the new card. So now I'm going to start the power supply. So GSM testing, connected, echo, finding network on, test message, CGAPT, GPRS start, GPRS main, GPRS found, HTTP on. So it is enabling the GPRS internet into the mobile data is in the SIM card. Okay, so GSM modem, okay, enter your amount. So first we have to go for the Prakash card, okay, RFID card number. This is I am taking. So the balance is 5000 rupees. Okay, so now I'm going to enter. So 5000 balance. Now I'm going to take 500 rupees. 500 rupees means first 0 5 0 0 500. I am taking 500. Show your RFID card. So enter your password. Password is 6492. 6492. GPRS sending. GPRS sent completed. So we will take the return data from the cloud server. So we have to take return acknowledgement. So amount is 5000. So 500 taken means return amount balance is 4500. Get the data. Data okay. It will show you the output. So we have to wait. It will check the data from the GPRS. Data okay. Remaining balance is 4500. sorry, card number is 644 card number. Sorry, I am taking this RFID card. Password is 6492. 6000 amount na. So we are taken 500 rupees. Refresh it. It was amount is 5500. So the card number is 644. Okay. So I will try with the new card. Okay, new card. I am entering some amount, 2000 rupees. I am entering 2000. Enter. Show your RFID card. So password, new card na. So something password I am entered. So this is new card. Okay. So our motto is success and new card. Send completed. Action. Send OK. HTTP. Okay. So this is new card. It will show you on the LCD. New card. Okay, new card. So second completed. Wrong password. So wrong password means, so I will enter some amount, 3000 rupees I am entering. Okay, 3000. Which one we will take? So Praveen card, ED9. Okay, 8000 ED9. Okay, we will take like this. Show your RFID card. Okay, so password is 4768. So we will enter wrong password, some 2315. Okay, card okay, balance okay, password wrong. Okay, send completed. It will checking the data to the server. Send completed, and it will check the return data from the cloud server. Data okay, password wrong. Password wrong password. So sufficient balance was okay, new card password. So insufficient balance. So insufficient balance means I will take Prakash card 5000. I will enter 6000 amount. Okay, 6000. 6000. 6000 entered. Prakash card. Card number is A1. Okay. Okay. And the password is 4567. 4567. Card okay, password okay, balance is 5000, but I entered the 6000 amount. So we will check it, what is the output. Action, sent okay, HTTP okay. Okay, it will said on the LCD insufficient balance. Data okay, insufficient balance. Okay, enter your amount. So I will take this one only, 3500. Okay, same card. Okay, and the password is 4567. Actual balance is 5000. 3500 is deducted. Remaining amount we will check on the LCD display. Okay, so GPRS modem, power supply board, LCD display, 4x3 keypad, EM18 RFID module, Raspberry Pi Pico board. Okay, data okay, 1500. Okay, 1500. Yeah, 1500. Okay, this is also shown in the LCD 1500. Okay, remaining amount 1500 is shown. So the second card I will go 200 rupees. Praveen F21 200 rupees I will take. 6800 is there, 800 I will take. So 800. Show your RFID card. Password is 7826. 7826. GPRS sending. Send completed. Actual balance is 6800. Actual balance. Okay, what will it will show on the LCD display. Action, send okay, HTTP okay, GPRS read. It will show you on the LCD 6000 data. Okay, it will collect the data 6000. Okay, yeah, 6000 it shown on the LCD. Yeah, so remaining balance is 6000. Okay, we will take so 8000 na Praveen, ed9. Okay, so I will enter 20 rupees 0 0 2 0, 20 rupees only. Okay, show your RFID. 20 rupees I entered. Password 4768 4768 4768. 8000 rupees I taken only 20 rupees. Send completed. Action, send. Okay, HTTP read. Okay, it is collecting the data from the server data. Okay, 7800 it will show you. 7980 7898. 20 rupees I taken now. 7980. So this is our flow chart, and this is our block diagram. Okay, and this is our hardware kit, and there are the 5 RFID card, 3 are the active card and 1 is new card. Thank you.